Today we are going to see how to assemble this STEM learning toy, which is a DIY hydroelectricity kit which generate electricity from flowing water. So let's see what all is there in the kit. So product comes with instruction manual. This is a turbine wheel. Then this is a project base. Apart from this, in this product there are few metallic brackets and few more components. So let's see it one by one. So this is a U-shaped bracket. Then this is a L-shaped bracket. Another one small L-shaped bracket. Connecting wires, LED panel, nut bolts, screwdriver. Then this is a axle of the turbine wheel. These two rubber bands are there, and very important part, this is a dynamo motor, which is we are going to use to generate electricity. So let's start with the assembly of the kit. So now you can see there are two holes here and 1, 2, 3, 4 hole here. So this is the front side of your project base. So first we will match these two holes of the bracket over here. This U-shaped bracket will be placed here. So try to match the holes first. Then you are supposed to assemble the kit using nut and bolts. So there are many nut and bolts. Now in this nut and bolt you can see there is a visor. So this small plate is there. You are supposed to use it. Put the visor on the top and fix the bracket from the bottom like this. Now once you are done the basic thing, let's tighten it with screwdriver. Let's fix it with screwdriver. Second nut and bolt with visor. Visor is the small plate, metallic plate, which is given in the kit. And let's fix this as well. Fix it with screwdriver. Second, now this is a big L-shaped bracket which we are going to paste here. So the smaller side of the bracket is coming upward and bigger side is on the base. Again we will fix this assembly. Fixed enough. Again we are putting another nut and bolt. Now you can see it's difficult to move the bracket. So half of the part is done. Now let's come to the turbine wheel. If you see, look at the wheel, these are the blades of the turbine wheel which should be straight. If you find they are little bit not in the shape, you can just press it and bring it in with very light hand. Okay, you are not supposed to deform the turbine. Turbine का shape नहीं बदलना चाहिए. Now let's take the axle and put it into the turbine wheel. Now this axle is very sharp, so you need to be careful. In case it's not going very easily into turbine wheel, then you are supposed to put axle like this and then just press it so that it will come from another side. Now around this turbine wheel, put two blue shape plastic bushes to keep the wheel in the center. Then let's put this turbine wheel through this U-shaped bracket. You are supposed to pull the bracket one side from one side, then again repress it so that it will stay in the shape. Now put two more bushes on the two sides of this axle so that it will not hurt you. Now see, if you look at the turbine wheel very carefully, you can see that there is a pulley on the front side of the turbine wheel. There is a pulley on the front side of turbine wheel, and here you are supposed to put the rubber band. So before putting wheel into the C bracket, you are supposed to put the rubber band. Otherwise, you have to remove all assembly again, and then you need to put the rubber band. So it's always good that you put rubber band first into the wheel, and then again put it back. So it's almost done. Now this pulley which is there, exactly the miniature of this pulley is there on this dynamo, this black color. It's very important. So this pulley and this pulley are going to be used as belt and pulley mechanism to generate electricity. Now put this dynamo here in between these two holes. Remove the release paper and put this dynamo here in between these two holes. While doing this, before fixing the dynamo, check that this pulley, big pulley of the turbine wheel and the small pulley of the dynamo motor are into the same line, like this. If it's like this, then it's fine. Okay. Now to give the firm support to the dynamo, let's fix the dynamo using cable tie. You can fix the dynamo using cable tie. Extra part of the cable tie should be cut off, and now you can see the assembly is almost done. A very important part of this project is this LED panel, where you can see actual working of the dynamo and the water turbine. So now we are going to fix this LED panel on the small L bracket. For this, just use nut and bolt provided and fix it from the hole to hole. Now you can fix it using screwdriver so that panel will stay firmly on the bracket. It will stay firmly. Now it's fixed. Now we are going to put this LED panel here on the board using these two last holes of the board. So here again put nut and bolt. Take another nut and bolt and fix it. Now let's fix it using screwdriver. Now it's almost done. Last part is connecting dynamo motor with LED panel. Now the wires are provided in the kit. 7 strand wires. They are supposed to unite all strands of the wire together so that you will be able to easily insert wire through the holes of dynamo motor pin. Then take another wire, again unite all strands. Now look at the dynamo. These are the two connecting pins on the dynamo. Here the pin with the red dot, we are going to put red wire in that. And once wire is through the pin, whatever extra part is there, we will be going to bind it there itself only, so that it will not connect with another wire and should not create a short circuit over there. Now black wire into another pin, and extra wire should be wrapped around the pin only. Now last part, take black wire and red wire, and these pins should be placed here on connect. Now see, whatever way you put the pin on LED panel, the light will generate. The only difference will be rotation direction will change. Now if you look at this, I'm just removing the rubber band right now, and I'm just rotating the turbine with my finger. Now I'm rotating it like this, light is generating. If I change the pins, like right now, where there is a red, I will put the black, and where there is a black, I will put the red.